Day 3 ng aking 50 solo dates. And today, we're gonna watch the sunset. Fit check, opak, aura. 4:10 PM na nung nakasakay ako ng bus papuntang MOA. According to Google, 6:50 ng sunset today, so kumain muna ako sa IKEA. Ligaw ako. 5:45 PM na ako nakalabas and I can see it! Maraming tao. Lakad-lakad pa ako para makakuha ng perfect spot. I think I like this little life. I love sunsets so much. It reminds us that in every endings, there are beautiful beginnings, or something like that.